In this video, you will use Gmail to write and send an email message. You will compose a new email message, insert an image as an inline image or attachment, attach a file to an email message, or link it in the text and send the message. To start, create a new message. Begin typing the email address of your contact. Make sure the address is correct or it won't be delivered to the right person. If the address is already in your contacts, the option to autocomplete will show up. If they are a new contact, type in their full email address. Add a subject line so the recipient understands why you're writing. Then, type your text in the body of the message. For practice here, you'll compose an email about sending logo files for a fundraiser. Adding images to your email is a great way to provide support for the meaning of the message. At work, you may need to send a design to a colleague for their approval, or you may just want to send a picture to a family member for them to enjoy. Begin by inserting the photo. Now, decide whether to display your image as an inline image or attachment. Use the inline image option to show the image within the body of the message next to the text. Resize the image by clicking and dragging the handle. You can also attach image files instead. An attachment is an additional piece of information that you add to your message. The recipient will need to click on the file to see the image instead of viewing it in their email. To delete an attachment, click on the X. You may also need to share a file with the recipient. Use the paperclip icon to attach a downloaded file from your computer. You can also link the file within the text. First, highlight the text you want to attach the link to. Then, select the file that should open when the recipient clicks on the hyperlink. Copy and paste its URL into the box. Change or remove the file by clicking on the hyperlink in the message. Finally, you can insert the file as a link using Drive. Search for your file, insert a link to it in your message. No matter how you share a file, be sure to give your recipient the permissions they need to view or edit it. Check over your email message and make sure it looks the way you want it to, then send it. In the next video, you will learn how to reply to and forward email messages. Now it's your turn. Compose a new email message, type in the recipient's email address, add a subject line, write the message, add an inline or attached image, attach a file or link it within the message, and send your message.